Hello, my friends, and good evening. Today, we're going to talk about relationship, and my advice for you is give time and energy to close the relationship more than anything else, because it's the secret to personal happiness. I will tell you that again. Give time and energy to close the relationship more than anything else,
You only need the
because
lightning
it's the
for the
secret
glow.
to
Only
personal
miss the
happiness.
sun when it
Thank
starts to
you
snow.
and
Only
have a
know
nice
you
night
love her when you
and
let her
goodbye.
go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home.